We get this question all the time: can Impact Windows handle a Category 5 storm? So the real answer comes down to two factors. One is the product, and two, which is often underlooked, is who did the installation. Now, if you're buying your products from a reputable company, the products will most likely be reputable as well. But the most important factor is hiring a company that knows what they're doing. I would feel more comfortable if it was my mom's house and she gave me two options: a great company with inferior product compared to a bad company with a superior product. I would sleep better at the end of the day knowing that the inferior product was installed by a great company that knows how to install Windows, that knows what to do if the structure of the actual opening is not correct. Because what ends up happening is that some companies will run into issues. They'll install their screws, they'll have an inspection. The inspector's not going and checking every screw to make sure every screw is the proper length, the proper thickness, that the screw is actually set into the substrate, meaning your walls, which could end up being a big problem down the line. So in conclusion, yes, Impact Windows are made to withstand Category 5 hurricanes or up to Category 5 hurricanes. However, the most important detail, in my opinion, is the company that installs them. And then secondly, the products themselves. However, making sure that the product has a notice of approval or a Florida product approval code. If you have any questions, please reach out. Bigfoot Roofing and Windows, building trust, one window, one roof at a time.